Today we are going to show a home tour. Well, here is our kitchen.
Okay.
So you can see we put various items. Okay, here is
Puja room.
puja area.
Puja area.
Okay, now let's come. Here is our living room.
Okay.
This is our dining area. And these are where I keep my books.
Books. Yes.
Then here we have my drawer where I keep my art supplies.
Wow, so you nicely crafted everything.
And then here we have some
Craft?
crafts.
You made from hand?
Yeah.
Like that? Okay.
We have some more crafts. Dog house. Okay, now
Dog house, okay. Let's show the area from here, how it looks. Kitchen. How the kitchen look from here, right? Come.
okay. So
Where?
we have our plants and our balcony.
Balcony, okay.
Where we have some more plants.
Outside area, special.
This is in Qatar.
This is Qatar. Hair.
Okay. So here we have the bathroom.
Washroom. Yes.
Okay.
And this is our laundry area.
It's like laundry.
Laundry and some items.
Where we keep all my
Nice
toys.
And the wire, this is
Okay. Now here we have
bedroom.
a bedroom. Bedroom here. Where we sleep.
Tinsel mirror.
Here. And this is our 1 BHK, which is very large. Okay.
So this is our 1 BHK, and I will mention the prices and all whoever wants to come Qatar and searching the home, so they can see my home as well, so they will understand what is the prices in Qatar and how the look. This is the shoe rack. Above we use some shoe items daily. We use the bottles for gym and all. For gym. This is the lunch bag. This is, we kept the cycle in the passage area. So this is all. So like
And subscribe.
thank you.